Hello. So bagging classifier example, we'll go through it today. For this, we have a data set of 5 features. We can see F1 to F5 and 7 training data points and 1 test data point. From this, we will create 3 subsets, D1, D2, D3 of size 7 each. We can see here that there are repetitions because this subsets are created, the samples are generated with replacement. So we have this D1, D2 and D3. So these 3 will serve as the data sets for our 3 base learners. Now to classify this test point T, we are taking the k nearest neighbor classifier with k equal to 3. For distance computation, we use Manhattan distance. This keeps it simple. So the distance matrix of T with respect to all these 7 data points is written here. It's very easy computation. You can do it on your own. So 3NN, 3 nearest neighbor from the whole set D for T, we can identify the data point D4 with distance 1, D1 with distance 2, and also D5 with distance 2. So the predicted label is Y because for D1, D4 and D5, the labels were as Y, N and Y. So 2 Ys and 1 N, so we get a Y. So yes, so the test point initially had a label no, as we have seen earlier. So now we go on for the ensemble learning. The steps are we create multiple data sets, train base learners and combine the results. So for classification of D by the ensemble of 3 NN classifiers on data sets D1, D2, D3, we find the 3 NN or 3 nearest neighbor for D1, which are these D1, D1 and D5. So the predicted label comes out to be Y. For D2, we get the predicted label of N. And for D3 also, we get a predicted label of N. So the majority gives us as predicted label of N, while the whole data set without the ensemble gave us the label of Y. And we can see by matching with our test set that this is correct while this is not correct. So I hope this example makes bagging clear to you. Thank you.